Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Japanese brown rice in a saucepan. I'm using 300 grams of Japanese brown rice for 3 to 4 servings. Rinse and drain the rice 3 times. After the third rinse, drain the rice through a sieve. Add 450 ml of water, then soak for 1 hour. Put the pan on your hob and bring the water to the boil over a medium-high heat with the lid on. When the water starts to boil, turn the heat down to low-medium and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Then turn off the heat and leave the rice to stand for 15 minutes without removing the lid. After 15 minutes, fluff the rice gently with a spoon. Healthy and delicious brown rice. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.